Stopcock leak. In this session, you will learn about the step-by-step repair process of a leaky shower stopcock. Notice the stopcock is leaking drip by drip. Let's gather all the tools necessary for the repair. Here, you'll require an adjustable spanner, screwdriver, and hacksaw blade. At the outset, shut off the main water supply to the shower by closing the ball valve. Then, remove the cover of the stopcock knob with a hacksaw blade. With a screwdriver, remove the screw of the knob. This will enable you to remove the knob. Now, with an adjustable spanner, remove the spindle. Notice that in the spindle, the O-ring is missing. You have found the cause of the problem. So now, place a new O-ring into the spindle. Screw back the spindle with the O-ring onto the stopcock fitting on the wall. Tighten with an adjustable spanner. Place the knob on the spindle. Turn the screw on the knob with a screwdriver. Place the cover on top of the knob. Now, to check whether the leak has been fixed, open the main water supply to the shower by opening the ball valve. We can observe that the stopcock does not leak anymore. We have successfully repaired a leaky stopcock.